Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Jennifer Marie, where I teach you different ways that you can make money online as a work from home freelancer. So this is another tutorial in my Upwork tutorial series, and today I want to talk to you all about Upwork's talent badges. So I am currently top rated on Upwork. Sometimes I'm top rated plus, it just depends on the month. There are 4 different badges that you can get on Upwork, and I'm going to talk you through all of the different badges. I'm also going to tell you what the benefits are and what the criteria is to get one of these badges on your profile. So first of all, if you're not familiar with Upwork, it's a platform where you can sell your freelancing skills and services and apply to jobs completely for free. I have a playlist that I will link you to in the description below this video on many different videos I have on how to get started with Upwork. But today, let's focus on the badges. So the very first badge that you can get is the Rising Talent Badge, which looks like this. So Upwork's talent badges can help deserving freelancer profiles stand out to clients. So if a client is looking for a freelancer or looking for a type of service and they see your profile has a badge, they may be more likely to hire you because it looks like you are doing a good job on Upwork. So the first badge is the Rising Talent Badge. Now, how do you get this badge? So this is some of the criteria. You have to have a 100% complete profile. I'll show you how to do that in a second. You must follow Upwork's terms of service. You have to be active on Upwork, so don't just go on once every 7 months. Make sure you're active, you're on Upwork a lot, you're applying to jobs. You have to complete projects on time and successfully. So you need to be working with some clients, doing the jobs, getting positive feedback, and also regularly submitting high quality proposals. Don't just send a copy-paste proposal to 10 different clients. Try to write custom cover letters for each proposal. So when you log on to Upwork, right here, you will see your profile completeness. You can see mine is at 100%. You can click on that and go through all of these different steps to make sure that your profile is 100% complete. You can see here, freelancers with complete quality profiles are 4.5 times more likely to get hired by clients. Okay, so the next badge is Talent Badge 2, which is top rated. I am currently top rated. A few months ago, I was top rated plus. I'm going to explain how you can switch between these badges. So the top rated badge criteria is that you must have produced high quality work with multiple clients. You have to have a job success score of over 90%. You must follow Upwork's terms of service. You have to have an up-to-date profile and availability. And you must have earned at least $1,000 in the last 12 months. So if you look here at my profile, you can see I have a 100% job success rating. So the percentage of this freelancer's jobs that resulted in a great client experience. You can click on learn more if you want to know a bit more about your job success score, but it needs to be over 90% in order to become top rated. I'm going to show you how you can check all of your stats after I go through all 4 of the different badges. So the next talent badge is top rated plus, which I have been several times. Right now, I'm just top rated. So you must have earned and maintained top rated status. You must have successfully worked with a large contract in the last 12 months. Again, follow Upwork's terms of service, and you must have earned at least $10,000 in the last 12 months. So I haven't been working with as many Upwork clients, so my income for the last 12 months on Upwork has dropped below $10,000. So I need to work with a few more clients to get that up to $10,000 in order to qualify for the top rated plus badge. And finally, the last badge is the Expert Vetted Badge. I've never been this before. This is the most elite badge that you can receive. You must be in the top 1% of talent on Upwork. You must be a complete expert in your field. And you must pass an intense pre-screening process by talent managers and experts in your field. So you don't have to be expert vetted to get a lot of jobs on Upwork. I get a lot of jobs just as top rated or top rated plus. And I even got many job interviews and job offers before I had any badge on my profile. However, I think this does help you out to have a badge. So I'm going to show you a bit more information about the badges. If you go on Upwork's website, you can check out their article on their talent badges, see a bit more about the criteria and benefits. So once you get the Rising Talent badge, you'll get reduced fees on featured jobs. You'll also get a one-time bonus of 30 free connects. With Top Rated, again, also reduced fees. You have more control over your job success score with a feedback removal option. You also will get invitations to submit proposals to jobs assisted by talent specialists. I've had many jobs that I have got that were sent to me by talent specialists to interview. Top Rated Plus benefits are pretty much very similar to Top Rated. And then with the Expert Vetted badge, not only do you get the badge on your profile, but also you'll have a dedicated talent manager to help match you with the right clients. You can see this little eligibility table if this helps you out. So to see how the badges work, let's say here a client is searching for talent and they type in video editor, for example. And let's say they are looking to send out an interview invite to different clients. You can see the ones that are popping up first are Top Rated Plus, Top Rated Plus, Top Rated Plus. So having this badge really does help you out. So you can see this, for example, the difference between this guy who has the Top Rated badge and this one who doesn't. Probably they're more likely to send this person an invite. So it's great to have these badges. However, you can still get jobs without having the badge. You might just have to submit more proposals. Another thing you want to do is to always make sure you are up to date with your availability. You don't have to have the Available Now badge, but you should, here under hours per week, you should keep this updated. Let's say you're working on a lot of projects right now and you can only work less than 30 hours a week, or if you're currently very available and you can work more than 30 hours a week, make sure to adjust this to keep your profile up to date. Okay, so how can you see and check where you are in terms of being able to get one of these badges? So log on to Upwork and under Find Work, click here on My Stats. So here you get all of your stats. You can see that my badges, I'm currently top rated. In the past 12 months, I've earned on Upwork just under $7,500. So this means that I need to get this to $10,000 in order to become Top Rated Plus. You can see clients who would recommend me, 98%. I've had no account holds. My top rated eligible weeks, 16 of 16. In order to be Top Rated Plus, you also have to have worked on a large contract in the past 12 months. So you can check to see if your large contracts qualify and just click on that. And you can see here, mine does meet the threshold. So this has turned to a check. So the only thing I need to do in order to become Top Rated Plus is get a few more clients and earn another, $2,500 within the past 12 months. Also, it's really important to have good communication. Make sure to reply to all of your invitations right away. It says here, top freelancers accept or decline all invitations within 24 hours. Okay, so I hope this helped you guys understand the talent badges available on Upwork. If you have any questions, make sure to ask me in the comment section below. Make sure to check out my full playlist on how to become a freelancer on Upwork, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial.